My name is Brian Beer II, and my family and I have owned this 100-acre commercial cattle farm for the past 17 years here at 1001 Aldarn Farming Road in Clewiston, Florida. We started out as a commercial cattle operation, and then we slowly diversified into a organic pasture protein operation. This property is extremely unique. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got big, beautiful live oaks, laurel oaks. It's got some sandy hills with pines and palmettos, and got a few ponds on it as well. As you can see in the background, it's got a 30 by 60 modular home with a big, beautiful front porch, and also has a couple add-ons to it that increases the size. This place is extremely unique. It's one of the only places left in Southwest Florida where you can literally grow your own food, you can kill your own food, and you can naturally live off the land. Property also comes with a nice set of cow pens, horse stalls, perfect for horse enthusiasts or commercial cattlemen. We've done everything from commercial cattle here to pasture proteins with poultry and hogs, and even a little bit of turkeys and ducks. I hate to see it go. I wish my kids had an opportunity to grow up here, but fortunately, somebody else's kids will. This property is, like I said, extremely unique, and I hate to see it go, but it's good. We're going to miss it, but it's going to provide a lot of opportunities for another family, so we'll be happy to see that.